Mandla, Matla, Matimba, all power. Thank you. Let me take this opportunity on behalf of the National Executive Committee of the ANC to convey our thanks to all the people who have been coming here to pay, to convey their condolences, especially the members of the ANC who kept the fire here, kept the fire burning. Members of the media, thank you very much. You were sleeping outside here trying to cover every detail of what is happening here. As the ANC, we want to remind you that the person, the leader that we are talking about is an embodiment of our struggle. She is the proud bearer of the scars of our liberation.